18. Leave me alone.
No, but I'm
no, I don't care. I left you there. Stay there. No. Just leave me alone, please.
I deadass pronounce you husband and wife. Ha ha!
Y'all ready back there? Yeah.
3. The singing show, OG.
Here we go.
Oh.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Testing 1,
2.
1, 2. Oh, girl, I'll be in trouble if you leave me now. I don't know where to look for love. I just don't know how. Tommy, have you seen her?
Hopped up. He didn't even know, bro. He just hopped up.
Volate, explícame esto, Volate. ¡Explícame esto! ¿Cómo así? ¡Explícame esto, Volate! ¡Explícame eso! ¡Explícame esto! Estos tigres no tienen...
Your mother's a bitch. You mad? You a bitch. You a bitch. Alright, I'm saying. What up? That's why you ain't got no man. You ugly. Okay, that's why you on my dick right now. You a bitch. You a bitch. You on your dick. I'm on your dick. That's why you ugly, bitch. Give me my fucking.
Oh, God. Oh, this nigga done got on the train. Oh. Oh, he violated. That nigga on the train.
That Bronx shit, bro. What the fuck? Yo, that ass. Damn, son.
Don't be scared. Go to him, give it to him. Hey, just let go. Just let go. Yes. Oh,
I just think we should be friends. You heard, Mom?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Fuck you, yo.
Suck my dick.
Oh, yeah, that's how you feel? That's why your mother's turkey was mad dry this year.
That's why nobody cooked in your house, you bum ass nigga.
Oh, yeah?
And I got the food stamp card.
Come here. Come here! Give me the food stamp card! Stop fucking playing! Shut the fuck up! Stop talking! to you. I'm talking to the dumbass fat bitch over there eating too many pork chops. Fat ass bitch.
I'm trying to help you.
Shut up, you fat bitch. Stop eating so many pork chops. Back up off the tape. Go on a diet, you fat ass bitch. That's why you ain't got no man. You're too fucking fat. Nobody wanna fuck you. You're too fat, bitch. You eat too many pork chops, too much rice and beans. You dumbass, stupid ass bitch.
Hey, yo, Fred, get this door open. So please.
Broken. But this train ain't going no motherfucking way till I get out. Call the police. This train ain't going no fucking way till I get out.
This door is...
I don't give a fuck. Get me off this train. This is my stop. I don't give a fuck about the door. Yeah.
This door is locked.
Yeah.
It's broken.
So I said,
So you have to use one of the other doors. This one doesn't open.
don't move this fucking train till I get out.
It's not